Just this pencil, a regular HB pencil or number 2 if you are in USA, we are going to draw this cat. First, we make a quick sketch with the head and main parts of our drawing, and these lines will be our guide to draw our cat. One leg in this place, now a potato like this, and the other leg. Now we do have our cat. The first lines of the eye without detail. Remember, the first quick sketch of every drawing must be drawn with very thin and very soft lines, so you can erase them as many times as you need, because a quick sketch before the final drawing is the best way to gain the proportions and forms that you really want to be on your paper. So never make a drawing beginning like it will be the final part, okay? First lines and then the final drawing. Now, a cat is a very full of fur animal, so we must draw its lines with discontinual lines like this, not with continuous lines, okay? As you can see, I only use one pencil, and if you are wondering, this is a regular photocopy paper. So this is the proof that you can draw with everything you have in your house. There is no excuse to begin right now to draw and make art with just what you have in your house, okay? Let's make more texture here, like fur. And this is these lines. I am sorry, in this part of the video I have not put the tripod very stable, so it moves a little, but it will improve in a very few minutes. In 2 minutes it will improve, okay? So I'm sorry, and as you have patience and you'll see better video. But many times occurs that when I am drawing, I lost all knowledge of the world is around me, and I draw. And many times it happens that camera is not well fixed. Sorry. Now let's begin with all our details. Remember to sharpen the lid of your pencil as many times as you need. Okay? In this case, it's very important to get very sharp lid in your pencil. Now, as all the rest of the drawing is very visual, I let you see it with very beautiful music. And if you have any doubt or any questions or any comments, put in the comments line in YouTube. And I really hope you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done it before. See you soon, draw a lot, and be very happy.